This is Village Auto's 2008 Chrysler Town & Country Touring WP Chrysler Signature Series. Very clean two-owner van, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. You have the rear wiper, rear defrost, tow package, rear backup camera, alloy wheels, privacy glass, dual power sliding doors. Very clean, well-maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 3.8 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $8,250. Let's get inside here for you. This one does have a stone go rear seats, full leather interior, third row sleeper, and this was a 7-passenger minivan. A full overhead console with a dual screen DVD player, rear heated AC controls. Like I said before, dual power sliding doors, power rear lift gate, full power options, power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with a touchscreen and the auxiliary input, dual climate control, steering wheel info controls along with cruise. You also have the steering wheel audio controls, adjustable foot pedals. Altogether very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2008 Chrysler Town & Country Touring WP Chrysler Signature Series home with you today.